The National Green Tribunal today came down heavily on the Punjab government as well as the Central Air Quality Monitoring Committee on the steps that are being taken to stop air pollution. Very clearly, for the Punjab government, the direction has been that why is it that the government is not looking at satellite imagery to point out which are the farms which are burning and take action against the owners. More importantly, the question that is being asked is also why is it that the state government doesn't seem to be giving help to the farmers so they stop crop burning? Additionally, when it comes to pollution in the NCR from other sources, from vehicles, from industries, from construction, a big debate has broken out in the NGT with lawyers appearing as individual lawyers also raising the point that the GRAP notification, the restrictions that have been imposed are unfairly targeted towards individual users. The government constructions are not stopped. Government vehicles are still moving, and more importantly, it takes GRAP 4-level restrictions, which means hazardous levels of pollution for more than 5 days for the extensive restrictions to even kick in. I'm speaking to Advocate Narendra Pal, who is one of the lawyers appearing in this matter. So, several issues raised before the NGT today, one of course being Punjab, the other being vehicular pollution, construction, etc. Question now being asked of the CAQM that why are you not taking action against the various violators?
The Honorable Tribunal was also of the view that why do the CAQ has to wait for GRAP 3 to come over? Why can't they implement stricter provisions before GRAP 3 gets over? So they are waiting for GRAP 4 to come and then stop the construction, which is wrong. They should have had stricter provisions to stop the two-wheelers, which cause more pollution. Just banning vehicles at random, saying that diesel vehicle BS4 should be banned is not the only solution. There is a construction activity which goes on in Delhi 24/7, all the government projects which could have been delayed by about 10 days or 7 days and nothing would have happened. But the air pollution would have surely come down. So Honorable Court was suggesting to them that why do they have to wait for GRAP 4? Why couldn't they have all these stricter provisions under GRAP 3 itself?
Thank you very much, sir. We are speaking to the Council for the Punjab Pollution Control Committee, Advocate Richa Kapoor. Ma'am, clearly Punjab under the in the radar, in the crosshairs, not just of the NGT but also Supreme Court. But today NGT asking a very pointed question: why are ISRO satellite images not being used to pinpoint those responsible? And secondly, under what law are you really taking action against those who are violating?
Yes. So, you see that we informed the NGT that yesterday the Supreme Court has taken cognizance of this matter, and yesterday's direction are that the stubble burning should stop forthwith. And Punjab is fully prepared to implement these directions of the Supreme Court in letter and spirit, and all our teams, DCPs, SHOs with fire tenders are all in field to douse the fire. And whatever images are there for today's burning, data will be gathered only by the evening.
And the NGT's clear question was the Supreme Court order came yesterday afternoon. Why have steps not already been taken? It has been almost 24 hours now.
Yes. So not almost 24 hours, in the morning, first part of the day. So we are in the first part of the day. So we are all in field. So drowsing fire and taking action. As you asked, what action we will be taking. So we will be registering FIRs against the persons under Section 188 IPC.
That is for stopping a public servant from doing their job. How is that a relevant section? Even the NGT has asked, wo to bailable hai.
It is disobedience to the duty, and we will also consider that there is the law made by the Rajasthan. So we will also consider that. We will see that. And so far as in the field we are concerned, all officers are there for with fire tenders to douse the fire.
So can we then see in the coming few days or weeks Punjab government coming out with the law against parali burning, because this is something that the Supreme Court had called for over the last several years. In 19 and 20, the Supreme Court had said that you need to create proper policies and rules. Why has that not been done?
No, so today everybody is having meetings, and our first preference is to implement the directions of the Honorable Supreme Court in its letter and spirit. So we will take steps, all necessary steps which are required.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Let's also get in a word from Gaurav sir. You were also appearing in this matter with regard to air pollution in Delhi. There are two matters that the NGT had taken up today. First being in Punjab, second being as a general larger issue in NCR region. What are a lot of questions have been asked by the NGT, but what are the orders really passed today?
See, because the case is going on in Supreme Court also, the NGT observed that okay, because there is a direction of the Supreme Court yesterday only that they have to stop the stubble burning immediately. So court has said that okay, file the status report on the issue of that what kind of implementation they have done as far as the Punjab is concerned. Further, there was some suggestions from our side, like the as we discussed that regarding construction of the government projects. Further, the two-wheelers allowed by the Delhi government and other states, because the Delhi government is categorically stating that okay, all the BS4 vehicles or all the diesel vehicles should not be allowed in the Delhi national capital. But at the same time, they are just protecting their vote bank also. So they are. We said that the Delhi government is trying to pick and choose, and that is why we said that okay, there is a need to have a
What has the NGT directed in that? Because they have said they will pass detailed directions.
Yeah, so we hope that in a day or two the order will get uploaded, and our suggestions as well as the what to do in next 3 or 4 days or in next month in the coming month. So I hope that all these things must be included in the order.
Thank you very much. So clearly the National Green Tribunal asking the tough questions of not just the states but also the Central Air Quality Monitoring Commission, that why is it that the basic steps that are required to stop pollution are not actually implemented till the pollution situation goes out of hand. A very clear question asked by the NGT कि आपके दांत खाने के हैं या दिखाने के हैं? CAQM कोई काम कर क्यों नहीं रही? आप पोल्यूशन इतना बढ़ने का इंतजार क्यों कर रहे हैं? Very clear question being asked by the NGT directly to the CAQM, and now detailed directions expected to come from the NGT just a day after the Supreme Court also passed extensive direction, as the Delhi-NCR air quality level continues to remain in the poor and hazardous category. In New Delhi, with cameraman Ashwini Helan, this is Aneesha Mathur for India Today.